Okay, after this arduous, most pathetic task, number one, the maestro did nothing for me other than put little toys from the OBD2 onto the screen of the radio. The pack maybe would have done the same thing. The problem with this install from the very beginning was the rear speaker did not come on with the fader control. They told me it was a pack problem. So I went and got the maestro. And with this installation, I needed to get 5 or 6 extra harnesses. Well, that was entirely all wrong, because the pack would have done the same thing, but it also would not have given me the fader control. Also, when I turn the key off, the fader control goes back to 0. And that shouldn't happen either. Now in the Camry, none of that happened. The pack unit worked very well, perfectly, never had a problem. The problem exists with this installation from the start was the Toyota RAV4 2015, which I have, is not compatible with the Pioneer AVH W4500 NEX. Something about a 2-channel, 4-channel, I don't know. I'm not an electronic engineer. But the maestro or the pack unit should have split the signals by their computer inside that module and accommodated the rear speaker, and also been able to control the fader control, but it did not. So all of the videos, all the time, and everything that you wasted, I hope you're watching this video first. Make sure, it's very difficult, contact the pack engineers. Very difficult. The Crutchfield engineers, the technicians I mean, are very, very helpful. But if you have a problem, forget about it. Don't waste the effort. If your fader control goes back to 0 and it will not control the rear speaker, save yourself a lot of trouble. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and the other ones that were wasting my time to show you don't waste your time. So I just want to show you that it's all back in place, and the rear camera works, the sound works. It probably won't work with my radio. I've got it on Bluetooth from Pandora, and it probably won't work with my camera running. So anyway, I've also got the little pigtail here in case I could find a surface mount to charge the phones and stay on all the time. This is also another quirk. They turn off everything when the switch goes off. So there you go.